alarm clock rings, a 6 a.m. sound. Gray light is creeping all over this town. The kettle whistles, I pour the coffee black. Watching the drizzle run down the window track. Another day, another busy schedule, but my first thought is always you.
The laptop's waiting, the emails start to pile. I know I should be focused, but I just smile, 'cause I imagine your hand holding mine. Instead of the ceramic mug I'm left to find. This daily grind they talk about is harder when you're not around.
Oh, the rhythm of the rain on the street is syncing up to my own heartbeat. It's tapping out a melody that says I wish you were right here with me.
The city's humming but it feels so slow. Sipping coffee wishing I wasn't so low. Just wanna share this rainy day with you. Yeah, all I'm thinking about is you.
The news is on, just background noise. I'm checking train times, weighing up my choice to maybe book a ticket for the weekend. 'Cause this quiet longing needs to end. I know we're busy, I know we're grown, but I hate this feeling of being alone. Oh, the rhythm of the rain on the street is syncing up to my own heartbeat. It's tapping out a melody that says I wish you were right here with me.
The city's humming but it feels so slow. Sipping coffee wishing I wasn't so low. Just wanna share this rainy day view. Yeah, all I'm thinking about is you. It's not the thunder, not the stormy skies. It's just this soft rain that makes me realize it's the simple moments that I miss the most. Like sharing silence, coffee and toast. Before the rush, before the day, I wish that you